wala bang mas malapit na ano, yung schedule, sabi ko. Naisalba ako ni yung dispatch ko, si Alana. Mabait yun eh. Pero actually mabait silang lahat ng mga dispatch dyan sa sa Torque. Kaya sa akin, baka gusto mong pumunta ng Wisconsin kasi may driver tayo galing Montreal, may daladalang trailer, preloaded na, tapos pupunta ng Wisconsin. Hindi siya makakadiretso paubos na yung kanyang driving hours.
Sometimes they'll just show 20 and then sometimes they'll show the right. Oh yeah, they're only
okay,
40.
that's fine.
See, everybody leaves the damn gauge on and from loading and unloading, fucks them up.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Thanks, man. Okay.
Alright, otherwise it's not a bad trailer, but it's just beat up to hell.
Okay, yeah, so yeah, I'll take it from here. Thank you. So where are you going after this? Okay. Bye-bye. Ayan, guys. Alright guys, good afternoon sa ating lahat, no? Ang current location natin is andito tayo ngayon sa Pickering, Ontario. Papasalamat lang ako kasi kagapon nung nag-pick up ako, tapos binigyan ako ng reload, client mo kahapon, tapos ang reload ko pa is 4 na araw pa bago yung reload ko. Kumbaga sa Martes pa, anong petsa pa lang ngayon, A5 pa lang ngayon. Ang pick up ko sa A7. Ang haba, sabi ko sa kanila, wala bang mas malapit na yung schedule, sabi ko sa isip-isip ko. Hindi ako nag-reply. Pero ang kagandahan, ayun ang umaga paggising ko, kumbaga sa naisalba ako ni yung dispatch ko, si Alana. Mabait yun eh. Pero actually mabait silang lahat ng mga dispatch dyan sa Torque. Kaya sa akin, baka gusto mong pumunta ng Wisconsin kasi may driver tayo galing Montreal, may daladalang trailer, preloaded na, tapos pupunta ng Wisconsin. Hindi siya makakadiretso gawa nga ng paubos na yung kanyang driving hours. Hindi siya pwedeng mag-drive, sabi sa akin. Sabi ko, tapos sabi ko, paano yan na ang may pick up ako dito, babaguhin na lang daw nila yung schedule. Baka sakaling doon ihanap nila ako sa Wisconsin ng load. Sana ganun pa rin. Sana papunta tayo ng Nova Scotia. Who knows, no? Kasi ang load ng Nova Scotia ay magandang rate, magandang revenue. Talagang may value. Yun ang pinagdadasal ko. Anyway guys, andito tayo ngayon, no? Aantayin ko lang yung driver na isa. Hindi ko alam kung owner operator o company driver lang. Dito kami mag-meet ngayon. Nasa akin na yung papel, nandito na yung ACE ko, pati itong passport natin na gagamitin natin doon sa sa pagtawid sa border. Sabi ko i-send nyo na sa akin lahat. Ayan guys, mga passport ko. Send nyo na sa akin lahat. Tapos pagka kunin ko na lahat para mamaya pagdating niya, magpapalitan na lang kami. Ayan, antayin ko lang siya dito. Ibababa lang natin itong i-unhook ko na, i-move ko ng konti para dire-diretso na tayo. Malapit na rin siya, mga 2 oras na lang din daw. Ayun. Alright guys, tara, babayin natin. Ko naman na yung mga dapat alisin. Natanggal ko na tong hose, mga linya dyan. Uncouple ko na rin. Nahila ko na yung ito. Tapos nibaba ko na ng konti. Actually, nibaba ko na all the way sa baba. Baba ko na lang itong airbag niya. Tama-tama pagdating nung kapalitan natin. Yan. Dito sa tabi kong ito, dito siya magpapark. Palitan na lang kami para dire-diretso na. Dread tayo ng gabi ngayon. Yung magagawa, ganyan talaga. Okay, tignan natin sa loob kung gaano karumi. Siya nang bahalang maglinis niyan, magpahugas. Maraming pahugasan dito eh. Ano, makukuha ng walis lang. Mga kahoy-kahoy lang to guys. Kahoy-kahoy lang. Depende kung ano yung kanyang reload. Kahoy lang. Yan, pwede niyang pulutin at saka walisin kung mayroon siyang walis. Mayroon tayong 3 load bar para sa kanya. Yan, gagamit niya. Okay, papait natin. Yan. Sabihin ko na lang sa kanya na kailangan niyang magpahugas kung kinakailangan magpahugas. At least kahit pa walang problema, mga gulong. Yan. Michelin tire. Abangan na lang natin siya. Paparating na yun maya maya guys. Yung sun system. Pag nag-aabang din sila. Guys, dito tayo sa Pickering Flying J Travel Plaza. Yan. Antayin na lang natin siya. Yun naman, dito na rin yan. Alright guys. Ayan, malapit na yung ating kapalitan ng trailer. On the way na dito. Inabot din ako ng 6 na oras at 25 minutes sa pag-aantay sa kanya. Yan ang oras ng aking makikita nyo, 6 na oras at 25 minutes yung off duty natin na nag-aabang sa kanya. Hindi tuloy-tuloy ko ng pag off duty ko hanggang mamayang siguro mga alas 3 madaling araw na ako mag-start mag-drive. Kasi kapag mag-drive ako ngayon, napaka-traffic ang 401, abutin pa ako ng siyam-siyam dyan. Mamaya na lang, madaling araw. Total kaya naman yung schedule ko, yung oras ko, makarating naman ako bago yung appointment natin sa dideliveran. Ayun na guys, alisin na natin sa pagkaka-unhook. Yun. Yan, para tamang-tama na mamaya. Alright guys, ayan na siya. Sinyasan ko na para dito sa tabi ko siya pupunta. Alright, tamang-tama dito. Doon sa likod siya, yan. Okay. Parang okay pa ang gulong natin. Kabago-bago eh. Ayun na siya. Mga tama ito ah. Anong nangyari dyan? Tumatama ito.
Hey, buddy.
You ran out of driving hours?
No,
That's-
not.
That's what they said.
Stateside.
Okay.
All right.
It's all good.
That's where you're going.
That's why I'm going.
This has to go to the customer.
Customer, this one is go to the customer?
Customer, this one, don't.
Don't, okay.
Okay?
Remember, this one, no.
Yeah.
Only this one and the other one they
That's
give
right.
me.
So just put it in your envelope. But
Sure. This one,
This one, they might ask you at the border.
Okay.
But you need to take it back.
okay, sure.
All right.
Alright.
You got a whole bunch of trees.
Yeah, I know, it's Christmas trees. Christmas, man. Merry Christmas to you.
Ah,
Okay. Oh, yeah, I will check. Did you put it in there? Not yet.
no, not
Not
yet.
yet. Okay, I will put it in.
Because I like checking my load.
Yeah.
It's just like a tree. This trailer,
Okay.
it's beat up. Eh?
Okay.
It's just beat up. You might need a hammer to close the damn doors.
Oh, is it? You need to hammer it? That's so
one,
bad.
that-
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get you.
Okay, they did put a seal on.
Oh, they put the seal,
But
and
you
then I
s-
have to put mine. Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. So I can't even open it.
Yeah, we cannot open it.
All right.
Yeah.
It's just trees.
I'm just gonna put it in here now.
Trees.
Yeah, it's trees. And then of course, I believe I have to take what do you call this? Truck wash once I'm done this one.
Oh yeah, it'll
It
be
is.
a mess.
This is yours, senior. I did not wash it, but I don't know. You probably can wash it. They did not ask me to wash it.
I got a leaf blower.
Yeah, okay, so
Oh,
that's
good.
good. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna move in there now, and then you're just gonna switch in here.
Okay.
I'm gonna move into the
Yeah,
truck now.
Let's switch. I'm gonna go back to because last time I was here,
Oh.
they wanted me to pay.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's not reserved, but it says this is a private lot.
Really? Oh God. Okay. Was I'm later. I'm going to move later. I'm just waiting for my hours to come back so that I have full.
What's that?
I have to drive later. So
Okay.
that cause I already been start my hours early morning. So
Okay.
when I have two more hours and then I have to drive. And 401 is so bad right now. I probably start my day at 3 a.m.
That's why I'm a little bit late. There was a pile up on 401.
Oh, is it?
Oh, over there.
Oh, over there. Okay.
Over there.
So here is good. Okay, I'm moving here. Yeah. Kinworth. Gusto ko rin ng Kinworth, guys, ah. So, itago natin ito. Ito lang ang dapat maipakita. At saka yung bill of lading. Kung dalawa lang ang pwede nating ipakita sa kanila. Yan. Ito ilagay natin dito sa ating papelitos. Okay. Alright. Kahoy lang naman yung ano hindi na wala nang mga kung ano pang cheche, isang ano lang ang kailangan dito. Okay, so bill of lading. Dito lang muna. O dito na lang muna, baka mamili pa rin pa ng hangin eh. Kaproblema pa tayo. Bukas ko na i-hook yan. Dito na muna tayo matutulog. Malapit na rin 6,035 minutes. Ang off ko kailangan ko pa ng mga Kumpletuhin ko na yung 10 oras. Mga alauna siguro ako magdadrive na. Alauna, alas 2. Parang matey ito, matey. Yung nag-drive sa ay nag-ano sa akin dati, nag-training sa akin guys dati, matey matey. Yung nag-training sa akin. Mababait ang mga matey, parang ano? Mga Pilipino rin na ano, mababait, sobrang bait. Sa kapwa Pilipino, sobrang bait. Ano, sabay kami ha? Atras. Oh. Magaan lang naman sigurado to. Hindi ito mabigat. Kasi mga ano to, mga panin, ang tawag ito, yung Christmas tree ang pangarga natin. I-hook na natin para bukas isang ikutan na lang. Okay. Doon. Tag-test. Drive. Okay. Ito yata itong ano na to. Pinapalayas daw siya noon eh. Alright. Siyempre, ano na natin. Lagay na natin. Okay, I will refill it somewhere in there.
Oh, you got enough to make a fine tray and the station.
Yeah, it's not that too heavy, right? Wasn't that too heavy?
No, it's not.
It's
But
not.
The gauge sometimes works, sometimes doesn't.
Yeah.
I reported it.
Yeah, but this one I think is just a trees. It's not that too heavy.
No, you're about 52 on your drives,
52, yeah.
and the back, I haven't even checked.
Do you have a check? But
I went through a couple scales.
but it's all good.
Yeah. Like sometimes they'll just show 20, and then sometimes they'll show the right. Oh yeah, they're only
Yeah,
at
okay,
40.
that's fine.
See, everybody leaves the damn gauge on, and from loading and unloading, fucks them up.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Thanks, man. Okay.
All right. Otherwise than that, it's not
So-
a bad trailer, but it's just beat up to hell.
Okay, yeah, so yeah, I'll take it from here. Thank you. So where are you going after this?
I'm gonna go reset.
Where are you living?
Hey,
Where do you live?
I live in Manitoba.
In Winnipeg too? Okay.
So, but I'm gonna go park at the Petro Pass.
Yeah, but you don't have any washroom there. I park in there.
I'll just PC here tomorrow.
Okay, sure. Okay, man.
Yeah, because last time I was sleeping and bang, bang, bang on my door. Eh?
Oh, is it?
This is a private lot.
That's what they say, but it's Flying J. We fuel in Flying J.
I know, but
Sometimes.
it says the lot is not Flying J, just the pumps at the building.
Oh, that sucks.
Because you look at the Flying J app,
Yeah.
it says 50 parking spaces.
Yeah, it is. Alright, man,
Don't need
thanks.
the bullshit.
Yeah, I know. I take it from here.
Alright.
Alright, thank you. Okay. Okay. Kunin natin itong ano. 37 continuous?
Yeah.
Okay.
On their paperwork, it's got to say 45, but they want 37.
Yeah, she texted me. Alana texted me. Thank you.
Take care. Is
Yeah.
this your truck?
It is. It's mine. Thank you. Alright. Check natin. Mga ilaw. At saka gulong. Siyempre, itap-tap natin ang martilyo rin naman. Okay, 37 continuous. Okay. Ilaw sa taas hanggang sa dito sa baba. Temperature, I mean gasolina, marami pa, 1/4 pa. Pagpagas na lang ako sa ano. Pag may madaanan ako dyan na so yan, pagas ako. 220. Ang gauge is 220. $204, sakto lang, mga 75. Okay, pipicturean ko ito, send ko kay Alan. Nakuha na rin niya yung trailer niya. Yun. Okay, bye bye. Ayan guys, nakapagpalitan na kami. Nakuha na niya yung kanyang trailer. Tayo, nakuha ko na rin yung aking trailer na may load. Sakto na to. Pagpabukas na natin ang pagdadrive. Magpahinga na tayo ngayong gabi. Dire-diretso na to. Alright. Okay. Mga kaibigan, so paano, hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita muli. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa video vlog nila Kay. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Peace up guys. Thank you. Bye for now.
Lakay Pinoy Tracker.